Hi, I've been asked to provide some personal thoughts on my recent participation in the CBL project. And one of the first questions that was asked was this learning experience different for me? The learning experience was quite a bit different for me in the respect that I had what I thought was a particular role in this project, along with my other classmates, where we were going to decide upon a project, institute the project, and basically look at the results. And during that process, I found that I was doing a lot of self-reflecting in trying to determine what the basis was behind my own personal motivation mindset. And I came to the conclusion, really, that what I thought was always just an asset of mine that I was lucky enough to be born with could perhaps be something, once taken apart and analyzed and figured out, could be something that I could impart on someone else and truly make a difference, and that it wasn't something that was just part of my DNA. The learning experience differed from many of the other classes is because there was a lot of discovery going on, and sometimes the discovery process for those of us who were trying to put together this whole study, the discovery process a lot of times was not planned, such as when we invited close to 20 people to participate in the study, and two of those people showed up. So for me, what could have been a real detriment ended up being a true discovery, a true statement that what we were doing was the right thing to be doing. It essentially validated what we were doing, which made it very unpredictable and actually very cool. It was very great. It was wonderful to work on a team with people that shared a very like mindset as you do, and it made it very easy. Things went seamlessly, and it was actually very fun. I hope that our solution really does make a difference. I think that, from what I understand, a couple of the participants have already started to notice a difference in themselves, and I think that we will only be able to see the true result as time goes on, and whether or not our contribution does make a difference in their lives, perhaps a quarter or two down the line during their education at the college. I do think that my opinion and my idea was truly a motivating factor for me, because I felt that I was contributing. Not only did I feel like I was contributing to the group and our eventual goal, but I felt like I was contributing to our dream. Our dream was to change things for good, and for the positive, and not just in some random way, but a very methodical way to use what we already have and what we know we have as individuals, and not only to our own advantage, which we've done, most of us, pretty much all our lives, but to help another person see that the way that we function from an intrinsic motivational perspective is, in the end, not only going to benefit themselves, but is going to benefit everyone else around them. So I